In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Shopify admin API access token, updated 2026. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Shopify website and make sure you're already logged into your store admin dashboard. Once your dashboard loads, go to the lower left corner and click Settings. Inside the Settings page, look at the left sidebar and click Apps. At the top of the Apps page, click Develop Apps, then click Build Apps in Dev Dashboard. This will take you to the developer dashboard where you can create custom apps for your Shopify store. In the developer dashboard, go to the upper right corner and click Create App. Enter a name for your app and click Create. Once the app is created, scroll down until you see the scope section. Click Select Scopes to define your scopes. For example, you can choose permissions such as read and write products, read and write customers, and read and write inventory, or select the scopes that match your needs. When you're done selecting the permissions, click Done. Next, click Release to publish the app version. You can optionally enter a version name, then click Release again to confirm. After releasing the version, go to the left sidebar and click your app's name, then click Install App in the upper right corner. Choose your Shopify store and click Install. Once the app is installed, open a new browser tab and go to the Postman website. Log in or sign up if needed. After that, look at the left sidebar and click Workspaces. You can create a new workspace or simply select an existing workspace. Now at the top of the page, click the plus icon to create a new request. Copy the URL shown on the screen. I will also put it on the description and comment below so you can copy easily. Make sure to replace the placeholder in the URL with your own Shopify store domain. To find your domain, go back to your Shopify admin, click Settings in the lower left corner, and copy your domain from the top. Return to Postman and paste your domain into the placeholder. Then set the method to post and make sure you are in the params tab. In the key fields, type grant_type, client_ID, and client_secret. For the value of grant_type, enter client_credentials. To find the values for client_ID and client_secret, go back to your app in the developer dashboard. In the left sidebar, click Settings. So from there, copy the client ID and client secret. Now return to Postman and paste those values into the value fields. Once everything is filled in, click Send in the upper right corner. After sending the request, the response will return the access token along with the scopes that were granted for your app. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.